Hello, today we are going to look at how to log cells in Microsoft Excel, how to log cells in Excel. Now, if you look at this worksheet, we have cells of phones, brands, we have the models, we have the colors, memory, storage, camera, cost price, selling price. Now, we want to lock some part of this worksheet and also leave some part unlocked. That is, we want some of the columns to be what? Non-editable. You can't edit some of the columns, but want column C to be what? Editable. That is, when I save this document, this worksheet, send it across to different offices, they're going to fill in the colors of the models of these brands that they have, but they can't edit any other thing apart from the colors column. So to do that, what you need to do is to click on this triangle here to select the entire cells in this worksheet. Click on it. Once you click on it, it selects the entire cells in the worksheet. Right click, move to format cells. Under format cells, ensure you move to the protection tab. Then look at this locked here. You click on what? Lock. So once you click on it, remember, before it can be locked, you have to protect that worksheet. So first of all, let us lock it, then we'll protect the worksheet for it to take effect. Now, you click on what? OK. Once you've done that, we've locked the entire cells. So what we need to do is to move to the color column, because I want this color column to be editable, but other columns won't be editable. So click on the color column. Once you do that, right click inside the color column, move to format cells. On format cell, mark this locked. Once you do that, you click on what? OK. Now, once you are done with this, we're going to protect the worksheet so that everything we did will take effect. In that case, to protect the worksheet, you move to what? Your review tab. You move to what? The review tab. So when you move to the review tab, you move again to what? Under protect, you move to what? Protect sheet. So click on protect sheet. You can decide to use a password or you can decide to leave it. Okay, let's use a password so that you see how it works. So if I put in the password, you click on what? OK. Now you will enter the password again. You click on what? OK. Once you've done that, this particular worksheet is being what? Protected. So let's test it. Let's click on this Samsung and let's try to change it to Nokia. You can see that it gives you this message that this particular cell or chart is being what? Protected. Okay. Let's go to the model and click on maybe iPhone 11. Let's try to change it to iPhone 13. It gives you the same what? Message that this particular cell is what? Locked. So let's come to colors column. Let's try and change this ice blue to blue. So to do that, you can see you can edit the color column because under the color column is not the color column is not locked, but other columns are what? Locked. Let's try this. Go to memory. You can change this to 16 gig. Once you do that, it gives you that error message. So in that case, the only column that is editable is the what? Color column. This is the only column that you can what? Edit in this particular worksheet. So this is basically how to lock part of your cells in Microsoft Excel and how to unlock it. Now to unlock this worksheet, you still move to what? Review. On the review tab, move to what? Unprotect sheet. If you click on it, you enter the password. Ensure you save your password somewhere safe so that you won't lose your document. You enter the password. Once you enter the password, you click on what? OK. Once you've done that, this worksheet is what? Unprotected now. So you can easily change anything. You can change this. Let's say I want to change this to B2. You can see that it's not editable. So each of these columns now are what? Editable. Now let's take a quick run of this. First thing, select this. Once you select this, right click on it, format cells, check this, click on OK, select the column or the cells. You can decide to select cells like this. It depends on what you want to do. Right click on it. So I want that place to be editable. Right click on it, go to format cells, unlock it and click on what? OK. After that, you move toward the review tab, click on protect sheet. You can decide not to use password. In this case, I won't use password. Then I click on OK. Once you do that, you can see that these cells are what? These cells are locked. These cells are locked. Remember, we selected some range of cells. This cell unlocked. This cell unlocked. You can see that this cell unlocked. So this is how we can basically lock and unlock cell in Microsoft Excel. If you're new to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also if you have any question in Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Word, you can drop it down in the comment section and I will be glad to answer you. Thank you.